If you want to see two pages side by side in Microsoft Word, this quick tip can make editing, comparing, and reviewing documents much easier. It's especially helpful when you're working on longer reports, essays, or any document where you want to check layout and flow at a glance. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can start with a new blank document, but for this tutorial, it's best to open the document you want to view side by side. So go ahead and open your file and wait for it to load fully. Once your document is open, look at the top of Word and click on the View tab. This tab controls how your document is displayed on the screen, so it's where you'll find the layout options you need. After clicking View, look for the Multiple Pages option. If you don't see it right away, it may be inside the zoom or page movement options depending on your version of Word. Click Multiple Pages and Word will automatically adjust the view so you can see more than one page at the same time. If your screen is wide enough, you should now see two pages displayed side by side. This makes it much easier to compare content, scroll through your document, and work more efficiently without constantly switching pages. If you want to see even more of your document, you can also adjust your zoom level. Sometimes Word will show two pages side by side automatically once the zoom is low enough, so you may want to fine-tune the display until it looks just right for your screen. And that's it. You now know how to view two pages side by side in Microsoft Word. It's a simple change, but it can save time and make editing a lot smoother. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Word guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.